Okay, this is the second video. I had to switch to my document camera. Okay, here is page 528, and as you see, these are the measurements and the units that we do know. And our example says we're going to convert 3 miles to yards, and we know that miles are larger than yards, so we're going to go from larger to smaller. We're going to multiply. And there are how many yards in a mile? 1,760. So we're going to multiply 1,760 times 3. And that is 21, 22, 5,280 yards in 3 miles. So I won't, let's see here. So 5,280. And there are 1,760. Okay. All right, so that's converting larger to smaller, and this is an example of converting smaller to larger. We have 42 inches. We start with inches, and we're going to feet, and any leftovers would be inches. So we're going from smaller to larger, which means we are going to divide, and there are 12 inches in a foot. So a 42 divided by 12, we know that 12 goes into 42 3 times, which is 36. And that is 6 away, so there's a remainder of 6. Therefore, that is 3 feet and 6 inches. And you could do that division the same if you want to just double check it. 42 divided by 12 is 36 with 6 as a remainder. We're not making fractional remainders now. That is going to be how many inches are left. Okay, let's do the first two together, and then I'll let you do the other 2 pages. Number 1 says 6.5 feet converting to inches. So feet are larger than inches. So we're going from larger to smaller. We're going to multiply 6.5 feet. And let's see here, 6.5 feet times how many inches are in a foot? 12. And we know how to multiply mixed numbers. We've got to turn it into an improper fraction. So 12 plus 1 is 13 over 2 times 12 over 1. And we can cross cancel here. Divide by 2, and 13 times 6 is 78 over 1, or 78 inches. And that's how we did that. You just multiply your initial number that you have by how many units are in the other one, which is 12 inches in a foot. Let's do number 2. 94 inches equals how many feet and leftover inches. So we're going from a smaller to a larger, which means we're going to divide, whoops, losing my book here, 94 by 12 inches in a foot. So 94 divided by 12. And we know 12 times 8 is 96, so that's a little too much, so it's going to be 7. And that is 84. 12 times 7 is 84, and that means there are 10 inches left, so that is 7 feet with an additional 10 inches. Okay, so go ahead and do these other pages. Don't forget about your example on page 530, and just do these 2 pages, and then you have some IXL to work on. All right, let me know how you do, guys. Send it in by tomorrow morning.